Hi guys, welcome back. Today we are going to find a frequency of a letter in a particular string or a word. In interview, this is a very common question. Even I have faced this question in one of my interview. For example, say we have a string, uh, something like this is for an example. Say Vothla coding is a string, and they will ask you to find what is the frequency of a letter O. So considering this string, we have a O at two places, so the count should be 2. So your output should produce 2 as the output. So this is the target of today's session. So let's get started from the beginning. I'm particularly taking uh, a variable string, and I'm gonna assign the example that I have taken previously, that is coding. And let me print this first of all. In the first place, string. Let me save this file to my desktop as frequency, say freq.py to my desktop. Yes, I'll launch my terminal and I'll call Python interpreter to run my script. My script name is feq.py. Oops, file not found error. I'll go to desktop. I'll just take the list, and there I have my file. I'll run it again. There you go. I can see Vothla coding full word on my console. So it is being a string. I can access each word by its index number. So index starts with 0 like other languages. Again, I'll run it, and there you get V. Now I want to iterate throughout this word, and I need to count the word O. So let's make it more generalized. Before, let me write a logic for it. I'm gonna loop in the range of this string. So range always accepts the integer value. So I'm gonna take a length of that string. So length of the string is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So this is the length. So every time, let me print it. Let's see what I'll get. The string of I. I'll save this file. I'll come back. I'll execute it. So I got full word line by line, and print by default trends in next line. Okay, so now I got each and every word line by line, so it's easy for me to compare. Consider I am taking a string of 0th or ith element. I'm comparing with a particular word, say O. And so let's if it is O, then I'm going to print that I. Let's see what I'll get. Let me put this with an if string I is equals to, then let me take a count of it. Let me take a count and increment it by 1, and I'm going to initialize that count to 0. Let me run this file. I'm not printing anything, my bad. Finally, I'm going to print count. Event count. Run it again, and it says 2. So we have got 0. Oh, sorry, it is O in 2 places of this particular word. So let's generalize this. I'm gonna consider this string from user. I'm gonna take this string from the user. So I'll say enter your string or enter your word, and one more variable that I'll say char, and I'm gonna take input from the user saying enter your letter. enter your letter, and that's it. In here, and replace this particular O with char. If satisfied, then count it. Let's see what we got, and run the program. And let's say I have AABBCCC, and I want to find a count of a letter C. There you get 3, and say O and Z and B, and you want to find a frequency of Z, and that is 4. So that's it all about today's program. Hope you guys understood. Any sort of question, please write it down in the comment section, and like my video. If you're not a subscriber, consider subscribing. See you in my next video. Bye bye.